Welcome to my channel again. Hi Smarty Stars, I am Smarty, and welcome to the Giggle Garden, where plants grow organically and sometimes talk too. Your today's visit is going to be very interesting and useful. 1. First of all, we prepare a soft and sweet soil for our teeny tiny seeds, where they feel comfortable. Then we plant our seeds into the soil. Our soil giggles to welcome her new guests. 1. Smarty Genius Brains, we are going to grow our Giggle Garden step by step. Tommy, the tomato, is screaming, hey, don't forget water, or I'll be Rinky Raisin. Smarty Stars, water is an important ingredient to grow our Giggle Garden. Now we water our newly planted seeds. Water time. Look, Smarty Stars, Ladyfinger is shouting, hey, don't forget, sunshine makes me grow. Yes, Smarty friends, sunshine is the lifeline of plants. It helps them to produce their food. Smarty Stars, it is time to learn the life cycle of plants. Time lapses, germination of seeds starts. Seeds need to grow, soil, water, sunlight, above all, lots of love and care. First roots, then stem, then leaves, and lastly fruits. Ta-da! And now meet our new guest, the sunflower. Sunflowers grow speedily. I am taller than Smarty. Smarty Stars, the sunflowers not only look beautiful, but also provide us with cooking oil to cook our food. To get more sunlight, they move in the direction of the sun. And that is how, Smarty Stars, you grow your own Giggle Garden. Remember, plants love soil, water, sunlight, care, love, and a bit of your silliness. Grow plants, save nature. Please like, share, and subscribe channel for more funny and useful story videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.